नमस्कार दोस्तों, दिस इज a question from thermodynamics. The normal boiling point of a compound is given to us. Let us take it as T1. So you know what is normal boiling point? It is defined as temperature at which vapor pressure of a liquid becomes equal to 1 atmosphere. Standard, in case of standard boiling point, it becomes equal to 1 bar. In normal boiling point, this pressure corresponding to it is 1 atmosphere, right? Enthalpy of evaporation is also given to us. Whatever is given, just write. 30 kilojoule, 30,000 joule per mole. Now next is we have to calculate pressure which is required to boil this particular compound at 300 Kelvin. That means we need a relation in which vapor pressures, or we can say pressures, are related to boiling points and enthalpy of vaporization. Okay, so by using Clausius-Clapeyron equation, relation is log P2 by P1 equal to enthalpy of vaporization divided by 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2, right? Now see, P2 and P1 are pressure here. We can use them for vapor pressure as well. See, अब put the values. Log P2 over 1 atmosphere equal to enthalpy of vaporization 30,000 over 2.303, and R value, you know, in joule per Kelvin per mole is 8.314. 1 upon T1, 1 upon 350 minus 1 upon 300. That implies log of P2 is equal to 30,000 over 2.303, 8.314 into 300 minus 350. It is 350, 300 minus 350. So log P2 comes out to be minus 50 divided by 350 into 300. So what is the value?
सर पहले इतने का किया कैलकुलेशन
0.7461, right? So now you know, if this value is negative, then इसका क्या निकालना है? एंटी लॉग निकालना है, तो डेसिमल वाला पार्ट जो है दैट शुड बी पॉजिटिव, ठीक है ना? तभी हम एंटी लॉग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो बेटर होगा कि आप क्या करो, इसमें +1 कर दो और -1 कर दो. तो -1 और +1 करोगे, +1 -1, so 0.7461 + 1, what is the value? 1 bar point 2539, right? See, ये जो वैल्यू है now 1 bar means 1 is of negative and 0.2539 positive, right? So now P2 is equal to anti-log of this value. तो जो भी आगे नंबर होता है that is in the form of 10 raised to power -1 anti-log of this number.
1.79.
So 1 point आगे
7943.
so 1.794. Okay, that implies it is actually 0.1794 atmosphere. But we need answer in TOW. And keep in mind, 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 TOW. So P2 is equal to 0.1794 into 760.
0.344.
3. So to round off up to 2 decimal places, value comes out to be 136.34 TOW. So this is our answer. So this is the use of Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel. God bless you all. Happy learning.